Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm here again to do what I love doing. So in this video I will show you how to remove any unwanted object, defect, people or text from your pictures in seconds. It is free. I will show you how to do that. I was not paid to show you this application, but believe me, I have used a lot of object removing applications, but this particular application is good as. Think of that thing you like most. This application is as good as what you like most. Believe me, I used this and I confirmed it myself. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you everything about this application. So here they have let me check the prices. It's free, but I just want to show you something. It's free, but let just have a look at what we have here. So the free is the free part, you can see it is 0. Unlimited images with the resolution limit of the format is 720 pixel or something like that. So that is it. But the paid part is just £5 per month with unlimited images, unlimited resolution, bash edit mode and plugins integration. You can go for this unlimited images. It's free for you. Use it as much or as many times as possible. So let me show you what you can do here. For the free version of it, you don't have to sign up. Just go to the URL here, cleanup.pictures. Then here, under here, click here to drag an image or to drag an image file. So let me go get an image from my desktop. Let's see. Let me show you how it works. Easy. So imaging. So I have this here, and let's see what we have. So here is the image. So let's go ahead and remove, let's say, this book. This is the brush we can use. You can decrease it to your desired size. You can see how small it is. So with this, you can increase it to your desired size depending on the object you want to remove. So let me go remove this. I think this will be good for this book. Let's see how it works. Just go over it, and let's see what happens here. Okay, sweet. So let's go on it one more time. So whenever you are removing an object, just try to be careful. Okay, as you can see, we got it removed immediately, instantly. So let's go remove the eyeglasses here. Here you go. What about this particular telephone? I can decrease this, in order to fit the object that I want to delete. I think, let me decrease it again. I think the size is okay. So let's go remove this telephone here, this smartphone. I don't know if it is Samsung. I love their product, Samsung, and Google as well. Google phones, I like them as well. So you can see let me retouch, decrease, and then let me go do more work on that. So I can just go there one more time. to have a perfect finish. Here you go. Here you go. You can see how good this application is. So what about these birds here? Can we get rid of them from the paper? So let's go get rid of them by, let's increase the size. One more. I just want to take all of them at the same time. One more. Let me increase it. One more. I think it's enough. Yep, it's enough. Oh, no, because if I have this, let me decrease it a bit. So let me go. Let's see what happens. You see? Let me decrease it one more time. Take this one out. And take this one out. So what happens when you make a mistake in the process? You can click on this to toggle it back. You can see we went back to where we were before. Then with this part, let's see what happens when we click on this arrow. See what happened with this arrow? It's taking us back to all the objects until we get to the last object, as you can see. Beautiful, as you can see. Beautiful. I have never seen this, a free application like this. Believe me, I have used a lot of these object removing applications, but this particular application, please, if you want to see more content on your way, kindly like this video. You will see that thumbs up image. Just click on it to like this video. Click on that red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and equally beside that red subscribe button you will see a notification bell. Kindly click on it and click on all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified to come check it out. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.